Oh, yummy!
We need 1/2 cup of melted butter, 2 tablespoons of coconut oil or olive oil, 2 cups of almond flour, half a teaspoon of xanthan gum, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, half a teaspoon of salt, 7 eggs, room temperature. First, we have to combine all the dry ingredients, the 2 cups of flour, the baking powder, the xanthan gum, and the salt. Mix them until they are well combined. In the stand mixer, beat the 7 eggs until they are creamy. Add the 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Then add the melted butter. Whisk the wet ingredients until they are incorporated and creamy. Then add in the dry ingredients slowly and gradually. Whisk the batter until they are creamy and well combined. Spray the loaf pan with the cooking spray. Then transfer the batter into it. Bake in the 350 degrees oven for 40 minutes or until the stick comes out clean. And we have the healthy, delicious keto bread. Enjoy!
Oh, yummy!